Hello and welcome to this session, which is uh, Be a Warrior, Not a Warrior. Why I have given this name to this session is, is because since last 1 year, we have been troubled us so much because of the corona. Many people have lost their job. Many people have lost their loved ones. Kids, they are not going school. So everywhere is panicking situation. People are stressed out. Elders cannot go out. Yeah, people are working from home. So everything is right now out of control. But I wanted, uh, I want to people realize that इससे पहले भी बहुत सारी मुश्किलें आ चुकी हैं और इसके बाद भी बहुत आने वाली है. Our mission is to empower ourselves. My mission is empower your brain, your mind. So with for this, I have started Mindful Brainy 2 year ago, where I'm conducting workshops for kids for their stress-free education, stress-free life, workshops for adults. Now I'm NLP practitioner and life coach. Yes, जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ सीखा है. सबसे पहले तो अपनी जो फियर है, डर है, उसको कैसे भगाना है और जो रियल जो मैं हूँ उसको मैं कैसे बाहर लेके आऊं. क्योंकि मुझे ये तो पता है कि no matter whatever happens, the ups and downs are going to come, but how to deal with it? No one can help you in that. You yourself have to have that courage, the tools and techniques which can help you to unleash your true potential to fight with any kind of a situation. That's why this session is all about be a warrior, not a warrior. So last year भी मैंने Facebook live किया था. I got really huge response from people. And for this year also I thought to do something for society, because if if at the age of 35 if I'm not contributing in society, then what's the use of my life? That was one question was really panicking me, questioning again and again. Then I started getting the solution because I know what I want in my life. So like that, you all are here because you know that positivity, that strong strength, courage is very, very needed in this situation. हम लोग आज भी उठते हैं तो न्यूज चैनल देखते हैं. न्यूज चैनल से और ज्यादा डिप्रेशन आ रहा है लोगों में. न्यूज चैनल्स को गालियां दे रहे हैं लोग because people are thinking that corona is not killing people. This news channel is. This is the statement from a media person, the person who is running the news. He himself told me that yes, this is the situation happening in the society. People are dying not because of corona but because of the depression. Yes, the stigmatization and quarantine, staying alone from family is really panicking. I have lost few member from my family, so I know that pain. So for that reason I have started this series of session where I'm going to bring some wonderful the warriors, real life heroes from life, those who have done something which is remarkable, which has given them as a warrior level. So in last session I invited Sudipti, magical Sudipti. Yes, she's my friend, she's my mom, she's my mentor, and she's a life law of attraction coach. she was suffered due to corona, and how that law of attraction practice has helped her to come out of that situation was the topic of last Saturday's session. So today also I have brought a gem from our society. His name is Mr. Parag Patil. He is a senior Olympian, and what I can tell you, he he is a person who has struggled in his life so much to get that medals, that awards for this nation. So he is here uh, with us to enlighten, to tell how to become warrior, not to worry, but become warrior. So I'll just tell you that what uh, he has achieved so far, because it is very important to know him from where he has reached to where. One second. He is the founder of MaxFit India. He is a consultant of athletics, then the Olympians. He is a marathon runner. He has won more than 100 medals, in which 17 are achieved, just 83 more to go. 17 he has achieved. He is a winner of 2 gold, 11 silvers, and 4 bronze medals for India. He is VIP Associate India for a Strata Sports Technology, Australia, fitness coach and international coach, athletics, marathon, then general and sports fitness. He is motivational and inspirational speaker. He is fitness consultant and counselor. He is idol for Indian athletics. So my friends, let's give him a huge round of applause and let's welcome him. So I welcome you, sir. Parag sir, please switch on your camera. Let everyone see you. It's my great pleasure to have you in this small session, but I really grateful for accepting my invitation and coming here to enlighten all the people. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Smita ji, for a warm welcome and a wonderful introduction.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So, sir, I wanted to ask you that how was your journey from your schooling, from your education to the medalist, national, international player? Because I know that there is a lot of struggle you have faced, but I want everyone should know that.
Sure, definitely. I started my athletics career in 1988 when I was 10 years old. I was a runner behind the bus, and the journey is to 17 medals for the country in athletics. So it was like I'm from a humble background. My father was better. He's retired now. Housewife. My mom was housewife, and the younger brother, who is the IT engineer now. So, as a humble background, you know that there is no scope for sports. First thing, right? So, the mindset of our parents is study, get to the job, settle your life, earn money, and settle your life. That's it. they don't feel that there is a career in sports or something like that, and you can be a celebrity in the sports apart from cricket. So I was not playing cricket. I was a runner and jumper. So my practice begins with a lot of hurdles. Like we don't have uh, fancy shoes, spikes or wears, or fancy food also. I would like to tell you that all the medals behind me, it is all international medals.
Yes.
It will not be completed, or it will not be sufficient to get my all the medals, because state, national and international, combining with that, it will go up to 80 plus or 90 plus. So just the wall is complete with the international medals, which include 2 gold, 11 silvers and 4 bronze for the country. Along with that, I'm blessed with the ranking of 26 at a world, and second in Asia in triple jump, world 32 and third in Asia in long jump, and world 136 and fifth in Asia in 100 meters run. So I'm fortunate to have our Tiranga in first 30 at world level. So I'm proud of that, and I'm continuing the same with the other jobs also. So getting a Indian tracksuit, which I'm wearing now, it took 22 years of hard work, and because practicing in athletics for 22 years itself is an achievement. Forget about the medals and all these things, but practicing for 22 years itself is an achievement. So it took me 22 years to get this tracksuit, because it has to be earned. No one will give you, or no one can give you that. So it has to be achieved, or it has to be earned. So after my first international was in Balewadi itself in Pune. So in first international, I won 3 silver medals. I went to Italy for Senior Olympics, which is also called as World Master Games, where I won once silver and 2 bronze. Again in 2015, Australia, 2 gold and 2 silvers. In 2017, Senior Olympic again in New Zealand, where I won 1 silver. 2018 in Malaysia, Asia Pacific Master Games, I won 1 bronze. And again in Australia, 2019 Australian Master Games, where I won 4 silvers and 1 bronze medal again for the country. So this is my medal tally and the journey.
Wonderful. That's really, really great honor to have you here, because I know this is an incredible journey. This is incredible journey. So, you know what is the situation right now. If you see, if you receive any call also, people start talking about यार ये मर गया, अरे यार इसकी तो ये हो गई है, मतलब हालत बहुत खराब है. It is something like pouring negativity starting from morning till the evening, means before going bed. So what kind of a mindset we all should have? Because I know that what you focus, you actually get that things in your life. So what kind of a focus general people should have? I know there are many people who have lost their loved ones, even I have. So I know in this call also there are many people who have lost their loved ones. So what kind of a mindset people should develop? And this session is all about to develop that mindset, to feel that yes, I am a warrior and I can do it, do anything. So what is your message? What people should do in this situation?
First is that believe on yourself, because the belief on yourself is going to matter a lot. I would like to tell you this all 17 medals have, each and every medal has his own story. But I would like to tell you the 3 stories, which is very heart touching, and a lot of people have admitted that yes, this is the real warrior story, you can say.
Yes.
In
Yes.
2013, when I was selected for World Master Games Senior Olympics in Italy, unfortunately managed by us. There is no support from government or any kind of private sector and all these things. We have to beg for the sponsorships and all these things. So when I went there, when I selected that, I started taking up approaching for the sponsorships and all these things. But unfortunately, I was not able to get any kind of sponsorships. So I took a loan of 1.5 lakh at the interest rate of 17% per month. It is not per year, it is for per month, 17% per month. And I was so blessed that when I booked, the euro was somewhere 71, 72. But when I did a payment, the euro was 86, 86, 87. So all my cushion of food and all these things, it was gone in that gap. So I went into Italy, and 11 days of my stay in Torino for these games, I was blessed with 4 to 5 times half stomach milk. Now you can just imagine that a normal person who is not playing, forget about a player or something like that, a normal person has to get around about 22 to 26 times meal in that period. I was blessed with 4 to 5 times half stomach milk, and that was the biggest reason for non-competing or non-participation. पेट में खाना नहीं है, क्या करेंगे? And I fought with the all Australians, New Zealand, then USA guys, Great Britain guys, Latvian guys, France, and all these things, because it's a huge game. So where I was supposed to get, means as per my performance and all these things, I was supposed to get the 2 gold and 1 silver, but I have to satisfy with 1 silver and 2 bronze. But for me, it is a big achievement, because not having a funds in your pocket, no support from anything, empty stomach, or just participating on the basis of your breakfast, means the condition was to buy a half liter water bottle. I have to think lot of a times, because euro conversion to Indian rupees, it was huge conversion. So I have to think a lot of a time that I have to really buy it or keep it aside. So this was a condition for me. Second
so
was
Dr.
again,
Pankaj, she is saying kudos to your willpower. That's really stunning. Channa Bashai, he's also saying that it's a great achievement, and really it's a means if we are here, we are getting everything, and we are complaining about this situation, then I think we cannot stand in front of you. Absolutely.
the second story is for my senior Olympic again in New Zealand. I took a crowdfunding and a lot of loans and all these things. I went to New Zealand, and I was a good performer at that time in 2007. But when I was participating my long jump in New Zealand, 25th April 2017, at 3:30, 4 o'clock, I was participating in my long jump. I got a bad accident by long jump. By landing, my knee was badly twisted. I was taken out with in ambulance from the ground. The doctors refused to touch my knee. Physiotherapists refused to touch my knee because it was badly injured and it was swollen. Then and doctor asked me not to walk for the toilets also. Complete bed rest. And second day, I was having my triple jump event. And as the doctor said, if it would have been Indian doctors, I would have never believed them. But as the doctors in New Zealand, so they said complete bed rest. But something was going in my mind. I cannot go back empty hand. At least one medal should be there to for the country. So 6 o'clock in the morning, I got back. I got up. I asked my caretaker, Mr. Makarand Karkhanis, and I told him that, sir, please be ready. We are going to go on the ground. He said, are you gone mad? I said, sir, we have to, because he is an ex-athlete. He knows what is the scientific way of this one triple jump. He said, Parag, look, one thing is that if you're not able to walk also properly, how you're going to do a triple jump? Because a triple jump is such an event when we do a hop and step, there is almost 1 ton load on your knee. That is 1000 kgs. I'm not talking about a quintal. I'm talking about a 1 ton. So that is a 1000 kgs will be the load on your knee. If something happens by mistake or something happens, you will lose your leg. आप अपाहिज हो जाओगे पूरी जिंदगी के लिए. I said, sir, let's go. देखते हैं क्या होता है. अगर नहीं हुआ तो नहीं करेंगे, but I'm not going to make a crime of non-participation. So I went on a ground. The video is available on YouTube, so you can have that video. So I went on a ground again, where I was not able to walk. I don't know from where the power came. I started slow jogging and all these things. And with that knee, I jumped 10.60 meters and won silver medal for the country. And the whole stadium was had given me a standing audition.
या मेरे
And
गूज़बम्प निकल रहे हैं. आई कैन इमेजिन. मतलब आपकी सिचुएशन क्या रही होगी, आपकी स्थिति क्या होगी, मतलब इट्स रियली.
yeah. So and the Australian person who had won that gold medal, he wrote me on my Facebook. You're the real inspiration for us, and I don't think so. Anybody can get on the ground again and perform. Forget about winning the medal, but coming on the ground requires a lot of courage. So you are the real idol for us. So fix your knee back again, and I would like to compete with you. And I know that if I'm going to compete with you, you're going to win. So that was his confidence. Third example is now, as you're based in Pune, if you want to travel to Delhi, I think so for 9 days, I think so you will carry some 30 to 40,000 rupees in your pocket, then only you will dare to travel, right?
Yeah.
So the example is of 2019, where I was going to participate in Australian Master Games. The sponsors were on, but at the last moment, the sponsor had ditched me. And as you have mentioned that I am the motivation and inspirational speaker, so I was performing at a lot of platforms. So till my last session of speak as a speaker was in that period, was at 25th of September 2019. So in I told the audience that my registration has been done, my visa has been done. I don't know about my air ticket. I don't know about my stay in Australia. I don't know about my food in Australia. But I'm going to go and I'm going to win the 5 medals for the country. So पहले ही सब कुछ मैं announce करके बैठ गया. And I literally blackmailed that sponsor because I was totally dependent on him. So for air ticket. So he gave me air ticket on 29 September 11 o'clock or something like that. And I was not having money at all. I was just having 5,000 rupees in my pocket. I converted that 5,000 into $100, 100 Australian dollars, and I took a flight to the Australia. I had some connections in Australia, so I asked help from them, and they really helped me out. Till date, I have to repay them. They are not also asking, and I'm not able to repay. So that is a different story. But just taking $100 in my pocket, I took a flight, and there was a mindset. Okay, fine. If the Australian friend circle is not going to help me, I'm going to stay in a stadium. Eating ka dekh lenge jo bhi kuch hai, but I have to perform in that one. So I went there, I got a help, and in returns of that, I bagged 4 silver and 1 bronze for the country. So
That's awesome.
this is what the I think so. When you believe in yourself and you have a courage to cross a hurdle, not bypass. What we do is we bypass a speed breaker on a road. We don't cross that.
बहुत important बात है. Please, everyone, listen carefully what he is saying.
So
Yeah, go ahead.
We don't cross the hurdle. We bypass the hurdle and we miss the goal. Just for an example, that's why I took an example of the speed breaker on a road. We know that as we are going to cross the speed breaker, there is a smooth road. But what we used to do is, we used to do it as a bypass the this one speed breaker. What we face in that bypass, we have a lot of ditches, and again we struggle to get back on a road. So there are a lot of slips and all these things. We have to brake, we have to wait, or we have to stop. So where we are wasting a lot of time over there, instead of getting on a smooth road, just crossing 1 or 2 or at the most 5 to 6 speed breakers. So that is the mindset which we need to have. The second thing I would like to tell you, we don't work on ourselves. Ourselves is the last priority for us. What is the first priority is money. Second priority is family. Third priority is your relatives. Fourth is your family. Then socials and a lot of things. And last is self-priority. So
Absolutely.
Just tell me, Smita ma'am, that if I am not available physically, if I am not alive, what is the use of that money, your family, your friends, your relatives, and all these things?
I agree. Totally agree.
It's all because of me. If I am not there, nothing is have, or I would like to tell you.
Yeah, I also have created one video which is about the how you can create your strong and long relationship with yourself, because that is the foundation which I feel. If you are not happy, how you can make others happy? If you are not empowered, then how you can going to make others empowered? So yes, definitely, I truly agree, and we are in alignment with that same thought. Yeah.
And one more thing, Smita ji, this is just a commander. Okay. Like in army or anywhere, there is a commander, and the orders are obeyed by the others. So this is just a commander, and below this all is your force. When your muscles are not flexible, your muscles are not strengthened, if your muscles are not active, energetic, your circulation is not perfect, your digestion is not perfect, okay, your respiration is not perfect, you will not be able to complete the work. And when the work is not complete, all the things gather here. And we say that I am stressed, I am depressed, I am low, I am feeling loneliness, I am overburdened, and all these things. There are a lot of a definition of fitness in the world, but according to the real fitness trainers in the world, and by God's grace, I am one of them, there is only and only one definition of fitness is think, analyze, and action within a short span of time is your fitness. As we know that, the Usain Bolt, he is running 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. I, as a long jumper, 33 meter of runway, stamping on a board, taking off, completing all the actions in the air, landing and getting off from the pit is 3.45 second job. So in that, we are the human beings. We are not the perfectionist in all these things. So we can make a mistake. But how much time we have to think what is a mistake, analyze what is a mistake, how it can be corrected, and action the corrections. Because for my example, if I take I make some mistake, I will be behind the board or I will make a foul, which is going to affect my all the efforts. Then if I'm not off the board, I'm going to lose that centimeters bit, because we are losing our medals with 0.1 seconds, 0.01 seconds and 1 centimeter. In general life, we don't care about this distances also or this timing also, but we have to take care of that because we lose that medal. And losing the medal is the lot of hard work getting into a dustbin. So we have to take care of that also. So we don't have that much of time to think, analyze, and take action. And then again, okay, fine, okay, we will make some modifications or we will rectify something and we will perform. Tab tak sab kuch ja chuka hai. So we don't have that much of time. So the think, analyze, and action within a very short span of time is your fitness. So this has to be very perfect to think and analyze, and this has to be very perfect to take the actions, the correct actions. So we called it as the mind, body, soul integration.
Yeah.
So this has to be done. It is nothing like that mental fitness. Now a lot of people approach me, sir, I'm mentally strong. You are mentally strong. Okay, fine. Mentally strong, ho up. Fine. When I ask them one question, they really have to think on that. When I agree that you're mentally strong, I appreciate that. But when there is a small pain in your body, are you able to concentrate on your work? The answer is no. Then where is your mental toughness? Where is your strong mind? You're not mentally strong. You're not mentally stiffen.
One single thought can just erase everything. Where I say to myself that my dreams are bigger than challenges, it just fade away. If somebody comes and tell me that, Smita, you are wrong here, so that everything just fade away. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
So so the fitness is important, and how to achieve it. Can you enlighten us on that?
Yeah, sure. One thing is that my mission is to make all the people, we are working from age 5 to 75 plus. So I want you to have a happy and independent old age life. That is my purpose of fitness. Because as we are seeing now, life of senior citizens is horrible. They are dependent on others. A lot of senior citizens are in old age homes. They are dependent on others for small things that they are not able to move. Their mobility is totally down. So if now I will just tell you what exactly basic things of fitness. At age of 30, we start muscle loss. For non-active people, they are not physically active. They start the muscle loss is 5 to 7% per decade. Just imagine you're not exercising, you're not doing any kind of body work. What will be your muscle count at the age of 60? Okay. Now, what happens is when your muscle count goes down, whole your actions or you're dependent on your bones.
Yeah.
Till that time, your bone density is scratched down. So you have to build your muscles. How you're going to build your muscles is totally outdoor. Because there is a term in our fitness industry, if your muscles are not saturated with your self body weight, what is the use of taking extra weight on your body and exercise? So gym is not preferable for general fitness or any kind of fitness unless and until you're going to go with the competitive levels. So this is the main thing. So you have to focus on your muscles. Your muscle flexibility is much more important. When your muscles are flexible, then only the muscles are going to be strengthened up. For this, I will just explain with some example. If we take a iron, okay, from iron, the steel has been made, but it has to go with the certain process. That is the elongation and strengthening. Same is with the muscles. Now, although steel is made from the iron, but it is a strengthened part of the iron as compared to iron. So elongation, that is flexibility and strengthening, has to be done with the muscles. So for long life, the stiffened muscles can break down very easily, and you can have a huge muscle loss, which is not going to be useful in your old age life. The second part, very much important, the weight management. Now, as we have seen that we go for the weight loss. Instead of weight loss, we have to go with the conversion of your fat weight into muscular weight. That is going to help you for the longer period.
Yes.
So this is we have to focus on. There is no age for starting a sports career, because I have one example that at the age of 100, the person has started his athletics career, and at the age of 102, he has attempted the world record for long jump at 100 plus age group, which was of 2.14 meters. So there is no age for starting the sports or fitness career. But one thing is that you have to go outdoor, not indoor.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. It is very important to get connection with the soil once again, which is very, very rare at this situation. Even if you see at the village level, people are not allowed, or the kids are not allowed to go into the field and do some activities. They are not allowed to work, basically. In my time, I was working in the field. I'm a girl of farmer, so I worked in a field, so I know what is the strength of my body, because yes, I have done so many things. So what is the strength of my body? I know. And that's the one thing which that that experiences has given me, is that I cannot let anything incomplete. It is me. If something I take up, I make sure that I finish it. So whatever it is. So that spirit I have developed because of that exercises, because of that working in the field, working on the ground, because I really loved playing and all those. My school used to open at 12:10 morning, but I used to go with my friend at 10 o'clock. Why? Because I want that ground. But we had a group where we want that ground, specific ground, where nobody should come, and we all the 10 girls used to play there only. So that was a 2 hours we used to play a lot. So our dress is dirty when we stand for a prayer and all those things. Our teachers used to scold us a lot because it was in a very bad shape and dirty everything, but that passion was there. No, I want to play. And that has given uh, actually lesson to live, how to live life, how to tackle the situation, how to accept the challenges and use them as a fuel to overcome any kind of challenges. So really, it's
I will just
awesome.
whatever you have told, I will just summarize in just one sentence.
Yeah.
No academics, no books can teach you how to get up. Only and only ground teaching you or teaches you how to get up when you fall down with wound or with pain or whatever it is. Only and only ground teaches you that. No academics, no books is going to tell you or teach you that.
Yes, absolutely. Because I really had a bad knee injury, but I was on the ground and playing. So it was passion. It was obsession for the ground that time. Yes, absolutely true. And thank you so much for enlightening us. And yes, we uh, will like to take the questions from the audience. So I'll request you all to switch on your cameras now. And you can unmute yourself, or I can unmute you. Just put your question in the chat box, or you can directly ask. Yes, hi Norul, how are you?
Hello,
Yes, go
ma'am.
ahead. Yeah,
I'm
hello.
fine. It's really very interesting session. I have come to know lots of things from Patil sir. It's really interesting and impressive. I would love to attend such more sessions. If you attend, please inform me. I would love to attend such sessions, and especially this session is very important during this COVID stress session, so that we can keep ourselves active from mind, from mentally and physically. We can keep ourselves active. And from Patil sir, we have got lots of tips to make ourselves, to keep ourselves fit
Absolutely.
in our day-to-day life, pandemic situation, and in our normal days also. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Thank you
Thank you,
so
Mr.
much.
Noor.
Thank you. So anyone else would like to share? So please kindly switch on your camera. Let me see your faces. Thank you so much for your patience listening, and you were there for more than 40 minutes. So please switch on your cameras, please. I want to see your faces.
Ma'am, you have to switch on this post as unable to switch on the camera.
Okay, okay, one sec. Yes. Hello, Rupali. Hi.
Smita, I'm still unable to.
Yes, one sec. I'm doing it. Just one sec. So I have requested everyone to start video. Please switch on your videos. Thank you, Channa sir, for joining in after so long time.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question to Parag sir.
Yes, definitely. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Really, heads up to you for your journey. Here, we are for small issue. We are thinking too much and swarming our brains. So I want to ask a question. So, how your physically being a normal but a healthy body, what could be the bad cholesterol and cholesterol part, or how should we maintain the physics, sir? I'm asking.
Okay. The first thing is that see, one thing is
Fat
that
and cholesterol.
doctors are asking for walking and to have some 3 kilometers or 5 kilometers and walking and all these things. What the biggest mistake we do is we just walk. Let me tell you, the walking is just warm up of your muscles for the workout. Walking or jogging, it's not a complete set of your workout. Okay, what you have to do is after completing your walking, you have to do some exercises. That is flexibility exercise and strengthening exercise of your muscles. What, see, first thing is that if you consider your body as a body, then you will be in a mess. When you start considering your body as a machine, then you will start maintaining that. Just for an example, you are having a car or a bike. After certain kilometers, or if there is some noise in your bike or in your car, you directly go to the garage and show to the mechanic. Right? As car and bike, we have the same formulation in ourselves. That is, a circulation system is present in the car as well as in ourselves. That is petrol, diesel, CNG, and all these things. Okay, in ourselves, that is a blood. Right? Second is respiration system. That is available, that air filter in car and the bike. Same is with our nose, throat, and our lungs. Right? Exhaust system is available. That is the silencer and all these things that throws out all the non-wanted part from that silencer. Same is with us. What is working is intestine, then our kidney, the urinary system, and the exhaust system, right? So all is present as like a car and a bike. Okay, but what we are doing is, if something happens in our body, we neglect that. But let me tell you, the car and bike repair and maintenance is in somewhat, it will not be more than 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. But maintenance of this, we are losing all our property and all these things.
Yeah, absolutely.
Am I right? So it is much more expensive. So the correct exercises and all these things, we are not taking care of our abs. We are not taking care of our digestive system, our heart, and all these things. Even the neglection in such a higher mode, we are not taking care of water intake also. If I ask you, what is your water intake? Nobody will go more than 3 liters. As scientifically it is proven and it is written that non-active people, who are not doing any kind of physical activity, they require 3.5 liters of water. So what we are doing is, we are taking water intake, which is not taking any kind of efforts also. We are taking that for granted. Second is sleep. We are in such a behind in money that we are not able to sleep also. There are a lot of qualities of sleep. So at what quality, as the Fair and Lovely, there is a strip. Where is my this one tone is, my skin tone is, right? As per that, we have to have the sleep quality also. We have that measure. My sleep is that even there are no dreams in my sleep. It has to be done. Although I am having a lot of tensions and a lot of things, I'm surviving with a lot of hurdles in my life. In financials also, in my career also, because lockdown has scratched my career again. So I'm struggling with a lot of financial issues also. There are a lot of loans. So if that has to be carried, then what is the use of being human being? Now your depression stage or your stress stage, are they going to kill your the conditions which is not in your control? They are not.
Absolutely no.
But we are taking care of that instead of ourselves.
Yes.
So as the question was regarding the cholesterols and all, can be maintained, the levels can be taken down. Means we have a cases that the diabetes has been reversed, the BP has been controlled, the knee replacement patient, the 65-year-old lady, her knee replacement date was going to come in next week. I had taken a session, and within a 15 minutes of session, she started jogging without any pain. So this can be done. This can be done, but with the proper exercises and proper postures.
Definitely.
If I ask you, you're walking, you're running, you're climbing a staircase, can be done without an efforts. Will you believe me? Without an efforts, you can walk.
We never thought about it. We never
You
thought
can
about
walk
it.
without an efforts. You can climb a staircase without an efforts.
So I guess
not aware of that.
if somebody is living at the 8th floor, lift or even the 2nd floor also, that person also took the lift. So he forget about the climbing the staircase.
Yeah, it can be done without an efforts.
So if that technique, if you publish or
Definitely.
make a YouTube video, it is going to hit. It is going to hit because
Definitely.
nobody even have given a thought over it.
Yeah, definitely. Even we start teaching from how to walk, how to climb a staircase, how to get off the bathroom and how to enter the bathroom, which is much more important because lots of accidents happens there.
Yeah, especially for ladies.
Yeah, and even for ladies, how to make chapatis, that are belte ho na chapatis, without any efforts, without any power.
Oh, that's great. जिनके घर पे 25-40 क्योंकि मेरे गांव में मेरा 20 पीपल का घर है, मतलब जॉइंट फैमिली है, तो वी प्रिपेयर ऑलमोस्ट 40 चपाती एवरी डे. तो ये तो मतलब गिफ्ट हो जाएगा मेरी लेडीज के लिए.
with that, आप चपाती बेलने के लिए या चपाती करने के लिए आप ज्यादा तकलीफ क्यों होती है आपको? Because of your heel pain, lower back pain, shoulder pain,
Neck.
and your wrist pain and your neck pain, right?
Neck.
अगर वो सब निकल जाए, you will be happy. Just there are small changes in your postures. You don't have to put your weight absolutely zero. It will automatically be on your chapatis. So these are the basic tricks we are teaching, and it goes up to international participation and winning the medals for the country. As you are seeing behind, I want all to be participated at international levels in athletics, basically.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what about the food about, sir? High fiber, proteins, vitamins, and all. As per you, what you are daily taking, your food habits, how your food habits will be morning and breakfast, lunch and dinner, how you are taking, maintaining your physical bodies?
Sir, whatever I get, I used to eat. I used to eat idli sambar, dosas, vada pav, samosa, then misal, whatever, non-vegetarian and all these things. What I used to prefer, I used to intake first. There are a lot of dietitians and all these things. They are trying to give me all the diet charts and all these things. I refuse them. Please don't give me, because I will not be able to follow that because of my work. If I'm
Yes.
traveling,
Yeah, for participants, I will give you his contact number and the details, email ID and all those things. Just
Yeah.
stay till the end, because he's going to take a meditation, which is people praise that. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned till the end, please. Go ahead, sir. Sorry.
yeah. Now what had happened is we have forgotten to eat. हमने खाना ही छोड़ दिया. Okay. Now, for example, you are craving for some pizza or burger or something else, right? You feel that you're craving that, but it is a body requirement. Whatever you feel that body requires, and you know that that content is that in that particular thing, you start craving that. If the craving is like that, then every day, every minute, you will start feeling that no, I should use, I should have some pizza or burger or something like that. It is some of the time in a month. It is not every minute or every day you are craving or you are having some इच्छाएं होती है कि ये खाएं. So it is a body requirement. And one thing is that जो आज तक मैंने जो medals जीते हुए हैं, it is purely on sabzi roti and chutney bhakri. No food supplements or nothing, no fancy this one. It is purely क्योंकि जिस तरीके से मैं आज तक लाइफ में जिया हूँ, वहां तक कई बार तो means I would like to tell you that it is just an inspiration and nothing else. September 2014, sorry 13 to July 2014, my breakfast was chai, cream roll ya biscuit. My lunch was chai, cream roll ya biscuit, and my dinner was chai, cream roll ya biscuit. I used to have 50 rupees for my eating for 3 days. अगर वो रात को क्रीम रोल या बिस्किट नसीब नहीं हुआ तो सिर्फ चाय पी के सोना है. So from that condition, I am achiever again. So it is not like that if you fall down, you cannot bounce back. You can bounce back any point of a time.
Who is your inspiration? Let me ask you this question, because yeah, definitely.
My inspiration are 3. First is Tiranga. Second is my wife. And third is my coach, Mr. Ashok Kale. He is an Asian gold medalist in Dubai. So
Great.
these are my 3 inspirations.
Absolutely great, great journey. So shall we, is there any question? Otherwise, we will move ahead to the meditation segment, and after that, we will end the session. So if you have any question, let ask. Okay, so no question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Rajaram. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Sir, my question is nowadays we are thinking about our health issues. Yeah. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Current scenario, we are asking about our health. Means many of type what we are means what we are taken, that our body itself get reflect. Means suppose my food or my eating is not at that of the level, because we know that in current scenario what we are getting, the foods are not pure, the foods are absolutely chemical, means pesticides. So that will directly impact with our body, and the means adjunct of in the pharmaceutical, we are facing the many health issues, because what we are taken, means what we are eating, that is not pure. Then how should we uh, maintain our body to that level of eating? You are told that no supplements is requirement, but how we can maintain our that toxification and that health benefits other than exercise, sir?
Yeah. Actually, as I mentioned earlier also, exercise is much more important. When your systems are very good, automatically your body will start the excretion of non-wanted part. Our body is like a sea. जो समुद्र में होता है, अगर जो गंदगी है वो समुद्र वापस बाहर फेंक देता है, सेम अपने बॉडी का होता है. अगर आपके सिस्टम्स जो है बॉडी के वो ठीक हो जाए सारे, मतलब सर्कुलेशन में है कि सर्कुलेशन आपका हार्ट पंपिंग इतना अच्छा हो कि जो हम लोग डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन जो पैड्स लगाते हैं वो पैरों में लगाते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑल ओवर द ब्लड which is non purified, which are getting collected at our in our foot. अगर आपका सर्कुलेशन और हार्ट पंपिंग इतना अच्छा हो तो वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को अपोज करके वो अपने आप ऊपर लेके आ जाता है. ओके. सेकेंडली, आपका अगर डाइजेशन सिस्टम अच्छा हो तो वो फैट्स वगैरह जमा नहीं होने देगा और आपका एक्सक्रीशन भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. ओके. If you're taking water intake properly, then all the contents which has been purified by kidney, it will excrete out. आपका वाटर इंटेक अच्छा होगा तो स्वेट के द्वारा जो भी गंदगी है जो अपने त्वचा पे आ जाती है, स्किन के ऊपर आ जाती है, वो सब कुछ निकल जाएगी. ओके. अगर फिर भी कुछ गंदगी बचती है पेट में, then some of the time vomiting and all these things which will purify all your internal systems. But for that, exercise is the key. Now if we compare the now as we Indians, we don't follow the exercise.
Yeah.
But the companies, Europeans, Australians, then Africans and all these things, Kenyans also. So what is now, if I take about the eating pattern, whatever we eat is much more lower than whatever the Chinese or Japanese or Europeans or all these things. मतलब अगर एक एग्जांपल लूं, जो हम लोग रोटियां खाते हैं उतने ही क्वांटिटी का वो चीज, पनीर, ब्रेड ये खाते हैं, but they are not fatty, they are not obese. Some 10% are there, I do agree with that, but all 90% are fit because they don't hesitate to go for outdoor walk, jog and exercise. So सभी के लिए जो important key word है, that is the exercise and correct and technical exercises, which is not that copy paste. For lunges and whatever exercise you're doing, that there is no load on your knee. None of the exercise is made to give pressure on your knee or damage your knee. All the exercises are to prevent your knee. So whatever exercises you have to go for outdoor. And one more thing is that खाली पेट कुछ भी नहीं करना है. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी खाली पेट नहीं करनी है. अगर गाड़ी में पेट्रोल नहीं डालोगे तो गाड़ी चलेगी नहीं. जो खाना है थोड़ा बहुत, you can have one banana, one glass of milk, you can have some khajur, almonds, anything, but don't do any kind of exercises with empty stomach. Second is water intake. You have to take more than 3.5 liters of water intake, and automatically body will start responding yourself. So Yadav ji, am I clear now?
Yes, sir. But during running, the maximum pressure comes on your knees also. So
That's what. नहीं,
yeah.
वो आप अगर it is because of bad running posture. Okay.
Okay.
My age is 42. I am 42 now. Still, my 100 meters is I run my 100 meter in 11.7, 11.8 seconds. My long jump is 6 meters plus. And plus. So 32 years का मेरा practice already हो चुका है. अभी मैं perform हूँ. My dream is to complete 100 medals for the country. It is not state or nationals. It is international 100 medals. 17 wall पे है और 83 बाकी है. सिर्फ 83 बाकी है.
Definitely.
So
Yes,
this is
we'll
what
get definitely,
is
sir.
the mindset has to be. Any more question, please? Or
Yeah.
you can connect me on WhatsApp.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am Nurul from Assam. I just
Yeah.
want to ask one question. I am a school teacher. So, what can be the message I can convey to the students to keep themselves fit mentally and physically?
So one thing is that nowadays, as Smita ma'am also already mentioned, that please allow your kids to go on a ground and play. First thing is that. Second is that don't force them to do what you want them to do. Because जब force आता है ना, तब बच्चे दिल से या हम लोग कुछ भी चीज forcefully करने से नहीं करते. We do it as a burden. And one thing is that when the kid will go into a sports now, they will be very strong in the academics also. Any guesses what will be my educational qualification? Any guesses?
Sorry, sir.
According to you?
Graduation.
Graduation at least.
Graduation in arts, commerce, or some 12th or something like that.
I think you are in science background.
Sorry?
I think you are
Science.
in science background. Science graduation.
Yes. I am a BSc Chemistry first class from Pune University in 2000. Also, I was the coach for MUHS, which is the university for
Maharashtra.
doctors
Maharashtra Open University.
from 2000 to 2013. I was the coach for them for athletics, marathon, athletics, volleyball, and badminton. So it is not like that. That sports person is nowhere in academics. So a sports person can be very good in the academics also because of fear and because of grasping power and because of active muscles.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I have shared his number and email address, so you guys can copy. Okay,
Okay,
so
thank you.
shall we start the meditation?
Okay,
Priyanshi
sure.
ma'am, you have some question, I think so. Smita ma'am.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, Dr. Pankaj, Priyanshi, you had one question, I think so. You have raised a hand.
Yes, yes, Dr.
Yes,
Pankaj.
yes. Yeah. First of all, thank you to Smita ji for just arranging such a beautiful session. And then gratitude towards Parag ji for just giving a wonderful insight. And I am a very keen learner, and just being teacher, being meditator, I'm also means always, find the opportunity to help my students or youth. So I'm just, seeing that spark in you, that you are an inspiration for our youth. So hats off to you. I just liked it very much, the whole session. And just question is like that being female, most of the time, morning and evening, we are busy in kitchen. So we skip our walking or exercising. So then whenever we are getting time, that is maybe already we are tired, so we just skip our exercises. So for being female means what the means or the exercises we can adopt that just to get a good health, because being female after 40 we have another issues also. So every time, just due to other priorities, we are skipping our this routine. So what is your suggestion regarding this?
First thing I would like to tell you, there is no time limit or there is no time for exercise. In India, we are into such a mode or such a practitioner that exercise should be done in the morning or in the evening. For study of this, I would just tell you one example, which is done by me. Okay, in Italy, when I went to in 2013, I was very eager to know how the Europeans are so fit. So what I did, from morning 5:30 till 11 or 12 o'clock, I sat in a one jogger park where there were open gym and all these things. The equipments were there. Not a single second I found that park was unoccupied. Whenever they get a time, they go for the exercises and walk, jog, and exercises. So this is our mindset that morning or in the evening, the exercise should be done in the morning or in the evening. Okay. So whenever you feel comfortable, you have to go for walk, jog, and exercise. And one more I would like to add, please don't think of anybody. जब आप बीमार होगे, जब आपको पेन है, कोई आपका पेन बांटने नहीं आएगा. Okay, don't be in a thought process that he or she knows me, whatever the society will say. क्या इतने रात को वॉकिंग जॉगिंग कर रही, इतने सुबह कर रही, दोपहर को कर रही, doesn't matter. Don't think of anybody, because you are going to face the problems because of non-exercising. Nobody else is going to. Okay, the first is of pain. Nobody is going to share your pain. Nobody is going to share your financials.
Yeah.
Okay, so why to worry about them, right? Secondly, as you are tired and all these things, it is just because of non-exercising. we have proven that the housewives, they are mostly sleeping in the afternoon. After 3 weeks, we have generated such a energy in them, they don't feel sleepy also in the afternoon. Okay, so exercise has that power. So you just have to go for the exercise, go for your health. If I talk about our Indian life cycle, 5 to 25, 1 to 5 just under parenting, 5 to 25 just study, right? Then 25 to 60, money, and after 60, pain. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct. That's absolutely correct.
Absolutely correct.
Very true. Very true.
So we, along with study and money of yourself also.
Whatever
I have
we earn up to 50 years, again we'll spend it for the hospital.
Yeah, Channa sir, we can't hear you properly.
Whatever we earn up to still 60 years, again we will spend in the hospital within 3 months of time.
Definitely.
Yes. So what is the use of earning that much of money, na, sir?
Correct.
Okay, so I guess everyone सबके questions clear हो गए हैं. So we'll do meditation. Let's do it because it's really awesome. Go ahead, sir.
Sure. Just close your eyes.
Mute everyone. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Doesn't
Sir.
matter for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just close your eyes. Wherever you are, just close your eyes. Please on your videos so that I can see it. Please on. Yeah, thank you very much. Close your eyes. Your palms on whatever surface you're sitting, or it can be on table, it can be on your floor or on your mattress, whatever. Just feel relaxed. Just observe your breath, air going through your nose, through your throat, to your tummy and your lungs. Just feel that air pass. And same with the exhale. Just feel that coming out from your lungs, through your throat, and exhaling from your nose. Just feel that air from your nose to your lungs, and lungs to your nose. Just feel that and relax your body. Just relax your body. Just relax. Just relax. Feel your heart beats and your heart pumping. And the circulation in each part of your body. Just concentrate on your airflow and your circulation. Just relax. relax. Just relax. Feel the power is inserting from your palm. The earth, the sky is giving you lots of power, and it is inserted from your palms and going circulated in each of your body part. As it is inserting, you're growing your size. You're growing your size. All the positivity and strength in yourself is allowing you to grow in a size. Your size is such a big that you can see the houses or the vehicles as an ant. You are above the sky. Just feel that your growth in your size. You are watching the mountains above the clouds. You are watching the beautiful scenery above the clouds. You are not able to see a ground. You are just watching the beautiful scene above the clouds. You are growing your confidence. You're growing your concentration. You're growing with the lots of a power of the universe. Slowly close your palms and as you're growing, your palms will be tightened with the power. Just feel that power in yourself. Open your hands. Rub it, rub. Now give this all the inserted power on your forehead, your eyes, your chins, and on your neck. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. It's really awesome. Guys, I'll put the link of feedback form. Please fill that. It will hardly take a minute. Okay. So it is very important for us. So please feel it. Yeah, it's there. Please go ahead and you can just click the link. It will open in Google form. Okay. Thank you so much for this wonderful session. Thank you. Thank you. And yes, my heartfelt gratitude towards you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you accepted my invitation and you just rocked, I would say. Just rocked. Thank you so much. And definitely, we are looking forward to work in association. Thank you so much. And yes, I have given your number and email ID here. So guys, I'm conducting one workshop. It's a 5 days workshop, how you can build your confidence. It's a free, but it is not actually free. Fee is your commitment to take consistent positive action towards your goal. That's my fee. So if somebody wants to join, it is going to start from Monday to 21st May. It will be there. So if somebody wants to join, I'll share that WhatsApp link here. You can just join that WhatsApp group. You will get added into that.
Smita ma'am, one more thing is that whatever the number have Smita ma'am have shared you, please get in touch with me on a WhatsApp. I'm sorry to say, a lot of the time I'm busy with Zoom call or some other sessions. I will not be able to take the calls. So I'm extremely sorry for